To get started, I just added a video to my timeline along with an audio track that I'd like to fade in and out. The easiest way to fade audio in Resolve is to hover over your audio track so this white marker appears in the top corner of the beginning or end of your audio track. Then move your cursor over that white marker until it turns into two arrows. Now simply drag it to fade your audio for however long you desire. You can do this at both the beginning or end of your audio clip to either fade in or out. Okay, this works great, but I'm going to undo this and show you another way. Position your cursor over this line on the audio track to where you want to start fading out your audio. Then, while holding down the Alt key on Windows or Option key on Mac, click the line to create a starting keyframe. Move your cursor to where you want your audio to fade out by, and Alt or Option click the line again to create a second keyframe. Now just drag that second keyframe up or down to fade your audio. The keyframes are useful because they give you a little more control of your fade. Okay, I'm going to undo the keyframes to show you one last way to fade audio in Resolve. Alright, let's go over to the effects library. Under Toolbox, select Audio Transitions. Drag one of the crossfades to the very beginning or end of your audio clip. Okay, and now when I play this back, I have a simple audio fade. You can adjust the fade's duration by simply dragging the end of the transition. To get easy crossfades via shortcut, just select your audio clip on the timeline and press Ctrl-T on Windows or Command-T on Mac. Okay, and those are the 3 ways to fade music in and out in Davinci Resolve. Thanks for watching and see you next time.